Alright, well, good morning, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Devin from Broken Enduro. It has been a long time since I made a video. Just haven't felt like it. We're out here in Kennedy Meadows on our group ride. I think we got like 20 dudes out here, which is a pretty big freaking group. I'm out back here with Robert. We're sweeping. I'm still licking wounds from my day ending off in Big Bear. I'll throw that clip up now because I never posted it on YouTube. If you're on Instagram, you saw it. Me flying through the air. It was pretty terrifying. I thought I was gonna die. So what ended up happening was I was feeling pretty good. I was out in front of everybody else that was in our group, and we got to the turn for Holcomb Creek, and I got behind three guys. I was behind them for a little bit, went to pass, and the guy that was passing like came over a bit, and I locked up my front because I was riding pretty quick. Ended up washing out the front end, and by the time it recovered, it was pointing straight at like dishwasher size boulders. And I ended up having to ride up over them rather than like crash into them. Nothing happened to the bike. I screwed up my thumb, wrist, elbow, both shoulders, but nothing like catastrophic. Just sore. Probably hypered something, or I don't know. I never went to the doctor because if you go to the doctor, then something's wrong. And I would just rather ignore it as long as I can, see if it goes away. So I cut that clip purposefully short or early because I didn't want to like out the dude that cut me off. Because are you good?
I've got my phone.
Okay. Anyway, I didn't want to throw that guy under the bus because it was 100% my responsibility for passing. It wasn't his. And I take full responsibility for how that went. Could not ask for better conditions. And mind you, it's August. And no dabs. And no dabs. That was ugly. Tough place to start back up. I wasn't expecting those big old gaps.
Yeah.
So, it's raining. It's gonna be an interesting day. What is this?
Traction. Traction.
I forgot it did this. Holy crap. Hey, can you grab out of this pocket right here?
What do you need?
There's a zipper pocket right there.
The middle one?
Yeah.
What do you need?
There's a windbreaker. That's all that's in there.
You lucky bastard. Yeah, this is rain.
This, as soon as we started rolling from that last stop, it was like, oh yeah, no, this is more than just a sprinkle now.
Yeah.
All right, this has gotten retarded. It's too much. Make it stop. Hello, cows. Hello. Oh. Hey, so at what point does this become like a dangerous situation?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
What time do we leave?
Thank you, sir. I remember this spot. That's my roots. Slippery little bastard.
There you go. Moving that big rock made a huge difference. No, not really. Now he's got to work.
I couldn't touch the ground. So annoying.
Instagram sensation.
So freaking annoying.
Need longer legs, huh?
Yeah.